Hi, I'm Scott Riley. I've been in the mortgage business 21 years now. I've worked on lots of different loans, which gives me a unique perspective on helping you on all the different options that are in mortgage lending and opportunities to help you along the way. I've been born and raised in Grand Rapids, went to school at Ottawa Hills, graduated from Grand Rapids Junior College, transferred to University of North Carolina at Charlotte, and came back and finished at Western Michigan. What I liked about that is it gave me a lot of opportunity to meet people outside of just this area and help me get ready for working with my clients in the mortgage business. My wife and I have two kids. They're both 15 and a half years old. They go to Forest Hills Eastern. They're very involved with athletics, football, baseball, crew, cheerleading. My wife and I do a lot of the coaching for them. I coach my son's travel baseball team. Been doing that for about 12 years now. I've structured my business so that I can be available to you. I only work with a few different realtors in town and my past clients. What that does is this gives me the ability to be available to you on my phone, text, email, anywhere from 7 in the morning till 10 at night. And that's Monday through Sunday on holidays and vacations. The reason I do that is because when you're writing an offer, you don't want to wait for me to get back from a vacation. So I'm still going to be available. We're going to walk through the process. We're going to estimate that payment on that house that you're looking at and make sure you're fully aware of the time frame to get to closing and items we're going to need from you. I thank you for the opportunity to have my team and I work with you. Look forward to making this a stress-free and fun process. Thanks so much.